What's going on, guys? Thank you for watching another video. Today's a special day. Today is actually my birthday. Yes, I'm so thankful that I get to see another year. If you guys might have remembered last year for my birthday, I did like a open house tour of $1 million home. There's this open house today for this house that's for sale for about $1 million. So I figured as a birthday treat to myself, we could go check out this house, do like a little tour of it.
You got a microwave and you have storage. You have a lot of storage back here too.
Okay.
So you have your dining entertainment area.
Today what I got planned, I don't really have anything planned, but what I really wanted to do for my birthday this year was I wanted to go down to Miami and like rent out a Lamborghini and drive down Miami in a Lamborghini. It would have been my first time driving a Lamborghini, but you know, because of COVID and everything, that got canceled. So today I'm gonna be car shopping. Should be fun. I'll be car shopping not for me, but it'll be for my mom. She's been looking for a new car for a while, so I'm gonna be tagging along with her. She really likes the Jeep Wranglers, so we're gonna see if we can find her a Jeep Wrangler that she likes. So yeah, so this should be exciting. I can't wait to get to the dealership. So let's go. This is actually the daycare that I used to go to. This is my daycare. I remember coming here when I was little and playing. They used to have a sandbox up there. Here's where we used to play during recess. I used to come out here, I was like probably like 5. I used to come out here and have fun. But yeah, as I'm getting older, man, I really start to value time a lot more than I used to before. You know, when I was younger, I always felt like I had all the time in the world, which is somewhat true, but you know, if you're a younger person watching this, just really try to make the most out of your time. Oh, we got Nadia right here around the corner. So I'm gonna head inside. nice. Oh, this is somebody's car, I think. Oh, this one is for sale. Look like this one is for sale. This one right here. Yeah. Yep. It's for sale. I like the color on this one. Well guys, so we came back from the dealership, saw some pretty nice Wranglers. She saw something that she liked, so she's not sure if she wants to trade in her her old car and get one of the 2020 models yet. So we'll probably come back later on this week to see if we can finalize something. But yeah, it was pretty fun. Got to check out some Wranglers. I'm just enjoying the day, thankful that I get to see another day. Also, I'm thankful that I get to drive one of my dream cars, my E93 M3. This is one of my dream cars. You guys gotta bear with me. I'm supposed to be doing a DIY on switching out the M button and the start to red start and stop engine button and a red M button. And also I'm supposed to be cleaning the trim, redoing that. I was planning on doing it, but I saw a steering wheel that I really liked. It's like a custom steering wheel. There's this company that makes custom steering wheels. So I wanted to try to have them create one for me. And at the same time, while they do that, I figured that'll be the perfect time to put in the red M button as well as the start and stop. So that's the reason why I haven't done that video yet. Well guys, that's all I have for today. I appreciate you guys watching and spending my birthday with me. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.